Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix DISM Error 2, then let's look at the solutions. So the first solution would be is to run an SFC scan. So we look for command prompt, right click, run as administrator, yes, and we enter the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter. If this solution doesn't work, then we have to do a system restore. So to do that, we will look for recovery, open system restore, and click on the recommended restore, or if you have created a suitable restore point, and click finish. That will restore your system to a previous time and date. If both of these don't work, then we have to try the final option, that is to reset Windows. So we will right click here on settings, move to system, look for recovery, and click on reset PC. Now, just a word of caution, we'll have to remove everything. So if you have some personal files or some personal data of yours that you want to save for the future, then please back up all these files and whatever it is that you want on a separate external drive or on a separate system. Okay, and then now we press remove everything and we will click on cloud download. So the meaning of cloud download is that Microsoft will download the original copy of the software from their server, and once it downloads it, it will use this copy to reinstall Microsoft as a very clean copy in your system and restart all over again. So once that is done, click on cloud download, next, and follow the process, and this should clear the error. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.